Microwave TV.
I'm a big old girl now want to tell the truth. You think I CMR? You think I CMR? You think I CMR? Remember, so the devil come to steal, to kill, and to destroy. You know, so the devil is on a mission. You know? The devil is on a mission. These are the stuff the kids them go through. Or because the parents want statement on social media. And this, nothing more. They think Crissy knows a man nasty and dirty, and the lies he told and the silence that she kept. You see? The lies he told and the silence she kept. And then now them come on the internet acting as if it's all peachy cream, when you know deep inside as a mother, a female, a wife, and more so an individual, you're hurting deep down from within. You're hurt. You allow a man to be tearing you apart, and you live your life on pretense. You live your life that you're okay. You live your life that you're okay within your marriage. You're okay with this. You want to convince us that you're fine, that you're happy. Oh, me good. That's my man. That's why I always ask the girl them wanna promote on the net as man. My baby father, my boyfriend, my husband. Who not show no word pan as a wife. So when all of the girls them get up this morning, a class CMR, and I say CMR this and CMR that, CMR now do shit. CMR touch people from him young. CMR, and to the CMR fingers and thumbs keep moving. But none of us never know say I saw him still, cause Crissy hide it. I'ma tell you say, if news never break up this, and it Crissy would have hide it and pretend that she's thoroughly in love with him and this is her man and write many wishes. This is how una talk this. Because, oh God, a female and tell look bad for me. When I own a dog, remember the love man more than the dignity. Remember when the love man more than the pride. Remember, you see, Queenie run left her dead daughter. Queenie run left her dead daughter, you know. I run behind Dewey when I want her. You no one call the things as how it look. Bling have a whole heap of jing bang. Blinga have a whole heap of tiki, and Blinga spend her life on the internet a look man. Triple have a pick na them, and no for we would know say Triple is a mother if we don't know Triple. A lot of us would never know say Triple is a mother. Triple pick na them cannot get molested too and she don't know. Because she busy on the net. People cannot terrorize Triple pick na them too. Them busy, they are so distracted. These are the mothers we wanna fast and idolize. These are the parents, the mothers who wanna fast and idolize. And when man do them nothing, wanna blame the man them. Wanna blame the man them, the same way the man them have for them nasty pedophile behavior. And the same thing the woman them have them worthless, whoring behavior. 6 of one half those that the other no lose on the morals. Who don't have no morals and now walk and a breed. Who not only breed for all man. That's why not care how the people them grow, live, or them safety, much less security. You must say mad. Who is a set of dog shit. Who is a set of dog dude. I want people for respect and rate and like, you know. But I don't know why he's always calling my name. I'm not calling him, I call it identity. I know your name, me I call me not text it by you, me I text it by your character. Oftentimes, nobody from morning me hear the girl them a trash CMR, and nobody now see that woman really sit down and lay down. You can't imagine how much pedophile coming at Crissy. Can you imagine when Crissy decide and getting CMR cocky, or it coming like at the 4th of July? Pure fireworks because she hardly get the body. Because him like young, him like things in a nappy and pampers, dribbler and blanket. Him like them something there. So Crissy still a fight for CMR love. Unna see that. Crissy still a fight for CMR's attention. Unna see that. It doesn't matter how long them there. You know, Z baby, it no matter how long them there, she still a fight for him love and attention. That's why I give to another, younger. Number one, it makes you feel insecure and inferior. Cause be a young him a look. The worst thing your husband could have done. Baby father twin, but let me just talk about husband. The worst thing, I'm gonna talk this already in a week and see, come back around. The worst thing your husband could have done is take a younger girl than you. It not have nothing to do with Hatta. It not have nothing to do with Hatta. The hurtfulest thing is to take a younger girl than you. A younger girl. That hurt that ripped a relationship. It rip it apart. Emotionally, it tear up a relationship. When I got therapy for, say man no want no therapeutic treatment. He no want no therapy at all. He doesn't need any therapy. But King never talk about it. King never talk about it, because share one next Crissy, you know. King must not talk about it. It's just fascinating how these ladies, what they foster, what they put up with. You know, it's just fascinating. And that them I want man to respect them. And you see why man can't respect some other dog shit? You see why man cannot respect some of on a dog dodo? You feel bad for Crissy Kelly because you're just like Crissy. You're just as careless as Crissy. Sad to say, Kelly, but if you feel bad for Crissy, you're just as careless as Crissy. Me not ask you, my baby. Me not ask you. I don't feel bad for none of them, not even the children. It's a bunch of dirty people. I don't feel bad for them. You think me have no feel bad for ways? You think me have no feel bad for ways? I can't feel bad not even for the 12 or 15-year-old girl, because I don't know if she's a family friend who is a mother. I don't know. I don't know. I want to encourage Crissy to stay with CMR. Oh, a lot of you encourage the lady to stay with, but she never gonna leave him still, you know. But a lot of you encourage her to stay with him. Una said, them never married, so them don't know how it feel. Some people who never married yet can't chat to me. We not have to marry for know if man worry. Hands down. Marriage is a union. Marriage is something where both parties supposed to work, and not me alone. Not me alone, so when I not chat. But no single people can tell me. Of course, single people can tell you. Because me single and me a live better than you because me not stand for shit. And you have shit under the holy matrimony. Oh, me not stand for shit. Remember saying, you're bored of shit. Oh. When I like to talk, people don't know what you have to put up with. A lot of them don't even have baby father, much less have husband, and don't encourage people. I know not about, I know the same way to encourage her will come on, but I say she should have run long time. Oh, she for run and she under your spell. How? No, when I say me single, I mean my man them they are prison. Stop it now, man. Something you just know for just show up people, you know. When I say me single, I mean my man them they are prison. Prison, hello. But don't ask if I not grind down the universe. We're going out the whole of Jamaica geographical location. No, it's not like Crissy. She faster this. When you look on Crissy, Maggie, and you say to Crissy, Maggie, you say, Crissy, divorce your husband. Crissy, left your husband. Crissy, one left the boy, and she attacked her. And she, that's why I'm telling you, say when girl want body, if you are work, stop work. If you are study, stop study. When girl want, me don't know about body dropping anything, but that's just a song that me can drop for now. Yeah, me I tell you at all times. She fast studies. Then you could have a man and him don't see you as you. Him see people younger than you and I look them and me there with him. Me no like rejection. Crissy ring under rejection. A long time CMR reject Crissy. Long time him reject her. And none of us say Crissy is a rejected crap. None of us say the bitch is a rejected crap. And she loving it and itch herself now. Him a tell you same like young blood. Him is a nasty vampire. Him like young blood, Crissy, you clog. You coagulate. Crissy never have no husband. Crissy remind me of Queenie. Crissy remind me of Queenie. Crissy never have no husband. No husband. Crissy, your breaker box split. No current no in there. No current, you never have no husband. And that's the nasty thing when some of the girl put up with. When a nasty girl but when I run down ring. When a well want name Mrs. and Mistress and Miss Madam. And so no one name, everything we're good. No love man. And the man not faithful from a boyfriend, he's not faithful a baby father. What make him go faithful being a husband? Ask the question over. No boyfriend can give me bone and me go catch belly. And when me catch the belly, me I dash it away. And when me catch the belly, me I dash it away. You now bone me during boyfriend and girlfriend stage and you got told me na baby mother. Me don't want you as my baby father, me I dash it away. Make a boy walk and say me kill him youth. Me mash up your seed. Me I dash it away. Me I dash it away because the same unfaithful baby father, boyfriend becomes the same unfaithful baby father becomes that same unfaithful husband. So I don't know why some girls still not try change, man. Crissy got change your nasty attitude. He's a yam field, he's a yam sucker. Got change your attitude. You think me sorry for Crissy? Crissy not even sorry for a young girl that we should have. Crissy not even cage our young girls. Crissy not even, I don't sorry for Crissy. CMR born a pedophile. He will always be a little picnic toucher. He will always be a baby gloves. Him born a pedophile. Why you a foster it as a mother, as a woman, and as a wife? Why you a foster it? The only time you remember for better or for worse are when CMR drop in a trouble. Yeah? And when CMR drop in a trouble, you will remember for better or for worse. Every time him give you bone for better or for worse, in sickness, you recite the vow, go married to your children. Just same with the people that married to medicine. I say from morning, I get up, appear woman upon the topic, and the woman them a bamush every man will say, maybe an allegation, maybe a not true. Them find all sort of story for come up with, and them they realize that them are some careless girl. Them take all madman. Them remind me of me. Them take all madman. Low Crissy go suck your mama stinking bitch. But low Crissy go nyam out her hole. Go suck your mama yesterday in front of me, I'm spitting in your face. Oh, but low Crissy, you wouldn't tell me this face to face, because I can't too. You stink and bright. I saw no faster, Crissy people are handicapped without makeup. But she seems slow still. She seems slow. Nobody now say, oh, the mama have her picnic them in a danger. The man is onto the road. Everybody see it already. Everybody knows that CMR is not a father. CMR look more like a stepfather to the children, to biological kids. Everybody know a Crissy keep house. And you gotta tell me, say, as a female, your man a walk a pressure little girl when you have no future. You understand me? I walk a mash up little girl future. And as a female with an adult hole, him a walk a pressure baby pum pum. And you sit down with him, Crissy go suck your mama. Go suck your mama. You come like the girl them a walk and pick up scammer money. Yeah, you go work for scammer. Go suck your mama. What you mean that's not nice? You go suck your mother to Raquel. Raquel go suck out your big old mother too. You talk about that's not nice. Me no want a friend from you because when me talk. When me talk, me go suck out your big old mother Raquel. But that's not nice. You know, so she's a dog shit. Nobody now look for father for protect picnic. Father a provider, mother a carer, a caretaker. Go suck your mama. Go. And she have a gully underneath her and the picnic them have a gutter. Sophia old bigger than for them. She a take wood longer than them. Longer than them. Crissy a take wood from in a tunip. And for have your husband and molest somebody that is so young. Crissy supposed to know when time punani ripe and ready. A tunic name, I never know the name yet, my love. Yeah. Crissy supposed to know all of that. So when so cocky girl sit down and defend Crissy. CMR is up. Let me tell you, some of you don't understand. Alright. You know some people born a singer. From them in a belly, them a sing. Alright. If you're married to a singer, right? And you know him to be a singer. And you don't like singer. You don't like singers. You ever take a singer? Eh? Are you going to take a singer? You know you can't stomach singing. Singing sick you. If you know say singing, every time the person sing, your hips slip out, your hands slip out, your teeth them drop out. Eh? You gonna take a singer? If you know a singer is bad for your health, remember, are you going to take a singer? Alright then. Every female would love to state that they might protect them picnic, don't. And they might protect them picnic from Shebada. Which me no Michael Jackson or Prince, you know. But they might protect them picnic from Shebada, right? Everybody said they might protect them picking from Shebada. I cannot have Shebada around my kids. But you know it's so funny? A mother can do that for herself and for her man or husband. But yet still she can't do it for she and her children. And my point where I try and make is this. If you take a singer you don't like a singer, you're a bitch. You're a waste of time. Now, Crissy take a pedophile. Crissy take a man who don't want she for love nor money. And the funny part about it is, she knows say him no want her. Alright, she take a pedophile. Married a pedophile. Wife up a husband up a pedophile. Give the pedophile status. Top chef want That's not a compromise. Top chef, that is not compromise. Alright. To compromise simply means that you and I were on the same level after speaking. Simply means that we're sharing it evenly. So if I am going to compromise, you have to compromise too. So there is something that I need to be done and you also need to do something, and you also need to do something too. You understand me? So that's compromising. Now self-centered, conceited and selfishness is what CMR executes. Low self-esteem is what Shani has. And he's using her default to exploit her, when she should have used his fault to dismiss a complete union. You know, it's true. You and me have to be on the same page after we're done. Too much selfishness. Top chef. Too much selfishness. And you know, saying not selfishness too. Too much of them careless girl here and give man with them desire, and what they desire is bad for their health. And I just, that are the problem. That is the problem. You notice all of these unfortunate events, I'm not calling people, all of these unfortunate events, they are always seeking attention, love, likes, following and respect. All of them. You know, so it's surprising how Crissy poised to be somebody of status or standard. You understand me? But yet still she's a dog shit. You see how they are very pretentious on the internet? You see how them say their character, which is not true because even them don't understand the characters. You see how crucial it be? You see how crucial it be? And people would stand aside, and because this lady carry herself a particular way, she has never been in any mix-up. She can't in a mix-up when her man try and mix her. She have a busy battle for you mix-up. A lot of persons who are on the app would say, this lady don't mix up, but they are making others' life hard in private, because she should never be with this man. It should have been the reason why she left him. Cause something simple. And she should be happy today, say her name isn't calling in a union with him anymore. They all foster these dirty man. Them foster them and then them walk out and say people are tear them down. You know you take a gunman, you know you take a thief, you know you take a rapist, you know you take a criminal, you know you take a this, you know you take a lot of persons. You know who you're sleeping with. I would, a true shiny pity them good a big. But if I'm a secret service, I take them away. I take them both from mother and father. I take them away from both mother and father. I never leave none of them with them. No, I don't remember them, my baby. Crissy, yeah, Crissy, oh. Yeah, them for take with the picnic. I wouldn't give her them because obviously she didn't live for CMR. When me talk about Crissy and say, Crissy is a nasty girl, she's a bitch. All I wanna cuss me. But I can't see her as a mother. I cannot see her as a woman. I don't found her to be a lady. I don't. I never lie. I never lie and everybody jump up and say, me like to tear down females. Everybody because you like them. Did you think me that likes to see my friend and a man I go through this? Me that tell my friend say you're so cocky. Ask my friend them, me that say you're so cocky. She say what that for? Me say go suck your mother. You could have never get me for come by your side. You're mad. You know all of this and look on the disgrace. Remember me your friend too, you know. And if your man shame you, automatically me your friend, so me go shame. So me I tell you how I feel from now. Cause when I never tell me about this, I just bounce right up in this. You're mad? Go eat out your big old. You must be mad. Shani too careless. Shani is a careless dog shit. Shani too careless. You have this big stinking boy. I behave. You want to see me walk like him slim. I mean, I know how girl lay down with him. I don't know how girl. I don't know how to do it. I don't know how to do it because I eat big underpants. I eat big underpants. I eat the underpants stretch per line. I don't know how to do it. I'm not very creative. Crissy, Lord Jesus. I'm looking at Shani and me a friend. She understand. Shani understand, man. Oh, Shani was one of Crissy mate. See that again. Shani was one of Crissy mate. Yeah, a long time I don't see her though. For true. How much time am I gonna shame the wedding band? So sister not do it alone. Crissy, let me tell you the truth. The man no want you. Him no want you. Your husband no want you. The boy 8 years old. Him 8 years clutch is the only time him dig out your hole and went on in his kitchen and all of your side chick them gone. All of the side chick them gone are busy, are occupied. Him no want you, him no want you, him no want you, the man no want you. If you wake up and smell the coffee, him no want you, the man never want you from before he married you, him never want you after he married you. Him never want you. I just want one do him did one do and him find out say you're a fool for him body and him use you. The man no want you, same man no want you, no care where him lay down and tell you him no want you. And you know it in your soul. You don't know it in your mind, you know it in your soul, him no want you. Him don't want you, the man don't want you, you have to get radical now, I know him man don't want you. So my old man for tweet you go like you're a queenie, him don't want you. Know and identify when man don't want you, go rest your hole and your mouth, look where you suck, where my plan for pushing at the world. You suck off where my plan for pushing out. Me tell you say you bathe at night time and wait lay down for catch infection. Thank you very much. You bathe and lay down at night time for him come infect you. I saw on a girl operate, you know your man a dog and you still are open up and protected. Why we can't do that? I pay unprotected sex game. You know him a walk and you know him have a little rat patrol a walk with him underpants. You know him have the key for the city. You know him, forever blessed, thank you. You know him have the key for the city I walk with them underpants. And you still entertain him. And then you want people to sit down and say, boy, Shani, Crissy must have go through it. Crissy not go through shit. I just wanna alone embarrassed. Crissy not even shame. Crissy not going through shit. Crissy not go through nothing. Remember say she know what her husband be. Me can't bother with that mix up here. Somebody said Bros Crissy pregnant again right now. You know what this is out of control. People may come back later, may have things to do. Remember me have the boy them food for care go prison and visitation so up. So me have to go shoot. Remember all the Italian style I cook today? So you know what if I share it, me have to go do. So here people, me I come back later. Me I come back later. Somebody said we well, cook oxtail and rice and peas. Yeah, which month he's born? What is my love for no later? Me I come back later, man. Me when I have me later, cause later me go drink and talk the true me. Like come go know the theory, me I come go know the practical CMR later. Me I come wait later. Can't tell you nothing yet.